My name's Neil Davis. The company name is Cefn Free Range. We set up the company about 18 months ago, selling free-range poultry to butchers, farm shops and restaurants in Wales. Well, the farm itself is a sheep and beef farm. We found that we needed to diversify into something to create a more regular income, a monthly income, as the sheep and beef are very seasonal. So we decided to go down the route of poultry, as we sell these on a weekly basis. At the moment, the poultry that we have here on the farm are all kept in the temperature-controlled units because they are under 4 weeks old. After they get over 4 weeks old, then they're allowed to go out into the fields in the day. Our farm is based here in Llan, Wales, which is in the heart of mid-Wales, but all our poultry that's reared here on the farm is distributed all over Wales in our own refrigerated vehicles on a weekly basis to all our customers, and we cover, well, the whole of Wales, everywhere from Cardiff, Pembrokeshire, all the way up to Anglesey. The support we've had from Cywain over the last few months has definitely helped us in a big way. It's made our brand look much more professional with the stickers that we have to go on our poultry, and the price lists I have to give to my customers. We also now have a website that my customers can look on, and everybody else that wants to look on it, and it's definitely a good advertising tool for us. I've also had the opportunity to do supplier to buyer events, which has gained me quite a number of customers really, all over Wales. So yeah, it's definitely been a big help to our business.